I have one voice, I will use it. We the people are words that begin the preamble to the United States Constitution, which shows where the power of government comes from. Abraham Lincoln continued that theme in the Gettysburg Address by stating that government of the people, by the people, for the people shall not perish from the earth. Government should ensure that all Americans are given fairness and equality under the law. Although in our young history there have been setbacks to freedom for all, it is individuals with courage who have stood up and fought hard to preserve the theme of Lincoln and why one voice can be very powerful force if used appropriately. Martin Luther King said, "I have a dream that my 4 children will one day live in a nation where they will be not judged by the color of their skin, but the content of their character. One day I will have children of my own and want this country to be a place where they will be given no special treatment, but rather fairness and equality. This can be achieved with laws that make sense and educate the public on good values with strong moral code." I often wonder if one person can have an impact on the direction of our country will take regarding equality, then I am reminded of past leaders like Elizabeth Cady Stanton, Frederick Douglass, and Rosa Parks. Stanton worked hard in organizing the Seneca Falls Convention, where she advocated for the rights to vote for women. Douglass, a former slave, started a newspaper called the North Star, where he talked about freedom for slaves. He was invited to the White House and gave a speech on slavery and advised President Lincoln to use Negro soldiers for the North in the Civil War. Parks refused to give up her seat on a bus to a white person. After her arrest, she fought the courts to end segregation on buses and won. Stanton, Douglass, and Parks all prove that one person, in fact, can make a difference. Throughout my public education, I have witnessed inequality in our school system. Currently, some children have the opportunities to enroll in preschool programs while others cannot. I understand the theory behind this, but this doesn't make it fair. Secondly, students who fail are given extra instructional opportunities at the expense of the public, while those who pass, seeking to advance, have to pay. I plan to meet with my legislator explaining why there should be fairness and equality for all. Dr. King believed that character mattered. Character is not bound by color, gender, or where you're born. There are many issues facing our country where equality is visible. They can't be tackled at the same time or by any one person. But if each person would take on just one issue, then together as a society we can realize the dream of equality for all. Thank you.